comic key.
You came?
Did you think I wouldn't?
I didn't know, for sure. Aki said you were dangerous, and
Denji. I am dangerous.
Yeah, but if we could just get out of here, then maybe we could.
No matter what we do, or wherever we go, I'm always going to be a target. We won't have a normal life. I'll be hunted, which means you'll be hunted too. Is that really something you want?
It doesn't sound too different from my life now. Except, at least we'll be together, right?
Right.
Oh, come on! Bring it on, motherfuckers!
Denji! Quick! That one! Denji! Quick!
We did it! We actually got away!
We're free, Denji. For now. You know, maybe this won't be so bad. Something feels different. You kept them? It's beautiful. Thank you, Denji.
Yeah. Reze?
Hmm?
You're sticking around this time, right?
I'm not going back. Not for anyone. Denji. I promise.